my channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to earn money from freelancing platform, digital marketing. How you can earn money from digital marketing. So let's talk about first what is digital marketing. Vertical freelance digital marketing is basically a help the companies to promote their products and services online. So their job is to reach out to your client's target audience, drive them to your client's website, and convert them as paying customers. So and they will get a good amount of money through providing these services. So this is the best way to make money by providing freelance digital marketing services to clients, and you will make a lot of money through this. There are several types of digital marketing and the freelancing platforms. The first is content marketing, can be further categorized into content strategy. Social media, one of them. Search engine optimization, search engine marketing. So there are plenty you can provide these services and make money. So how you can get started with freelance digital marketing. Manage your expectation. Identify your talent and skill sets, narrowing down your niche and decide which need you need to focus. So develop your personal brands. So there are plenty of digital marketing services you can provide and make a lot of money through providing these services. So we will come with another video till then. Goodbye.